Hello, I'm Police Officer Shajara Williams. I have the honor of serving on the Nassau County Diversity Committee and the Office of Community Affairs. The Nassau County Police Department is always looking for interested candidates to join our department. Diversity in hiring has always been important to the Nassau County Police Department. But now more than ever, having a police force that reflects the residents we serve is our goal. As the 13th largest department in the country, there is a lot of opportunity for personal development and career advancement. My experiences on patrol and valuable knowledge I have gained has helped me share how rewarding this career has been. Don't just take it from me. Here are fellow officers and their experiences.
I'm a sergeant in the patrol division within the Nassau County Police Department. I have 16 years of experience in law enforcement, and I'm truly honored to be a part of the department's effort to help with diversity recruitment. The more diverse the department is, the better the communities are going to interact with law enforcement. As an Egyptian immigrant who came to the US at the age of 17, as you can imagine, it was not an easy journey for me to get here. Learning a new language, new culture, adjusting to a completely new life was very hard for me. But I took it as a challenge to better myself and my family. To be a police officer, you have to be a special person. A person who's willing to risk his life for a stranger. A person who's willing to run towards danger when everyone is running away from danger.
I'm Jenny Faultless. I'm a detective in the Nassau County Police Department. When I was called to become a police officer, it was 2014, and I was in the middle of my first year of law school. I couldn't let the opportunity to serve our county pass, so I took a leave of absence from law school, and I went to the Nassau County Police Academy. After I graduated, I was assigned to the 8th Precinct. One of the unique benefits to being a patrol officer is your schedule. I was very lucky to have understanding bosses, and I was allowed to go back to law school, where I finished in 2018, passed the bar, and I became a detective in the 3rd Squad. After the 3rd Squad, I was asked to go to Legal Bureau, which is where I'm currently serving. One of the best things about being in Legal Bureau is that I get to work on the policy and procedures for the police department. The thing I'm most proud of doing so far is working on our transgender policy. It's especially important to me because I identify as a member of the LGBTQIA community.
Hi, I'm Tracy Cabey, and I've been a Nassau County police officer turned detective. I've been on the job about 17 years. I grew up in the Caribbean, a small island called Montserrat, which most of you probably have never heard of, but it's next to Antigua. I migrated here right before my 16th birthday and moved to the Bronx, to a family home. And close to my 20th birthday, I decided to join the United States Air Force. After exiting the Air Force, I scored amazingly and got on the Nassau County job. I started out on patrol, and I have had an amazing time every day that I've come to work. I've experienced, especially going into Hempstead, is the excitement on people's faces when they see my face, a face that looks a lot like theirs, a face that they identify with.
My name is Officer Espinosa, and I'm currently assigned to the 5th Precinct. I came to this country when I was 21 years old from Quito, Ecuador. When we got to this country, it was really hard because not only we didn't know the language, but also we didn't know about this country. One day somebody asked me, what do you want to do here? Who you want to be? My answer was, I want to be a police officer. So he then told me, just go, learn some English, take some college credits, and just apply. And that's exactly what I did. In this department, I've been able to not only have the best coworkers, the best family, there's a lot of opportunities with the department that you can have. I personally belong to the Nassau County Police Hispanic Society. In our society, we work a lot with the community. We try to mentor kids to become police officers like us. We try to help kids that are in trouble. We also donate things like gowns for kids that want to go to the prom. We work hard with the community to orientate them in different type of directions. We do fundraisers, we do scholarships, and we do events with our community. So if you become a police officer, you can join any organization with our department. If you want to be a police officer, all you have to do is work hard, believe in yourself, and just apply.
My name is Brendan Gibbs. I am a detective sergeant with the Nassau County Police Department. In 2015, when I became a detective, there's many different positions on this job. A detective fits me the most. Being able to follow up on cases, fully see a case go from the beginning to the end is something that I pride myself on. I really like being able to represent myself and represent anyone that looks like me. Although there are tough things that we do, you're going to come in contact with people that are going to need you. If you think that there is some changes that could be made within the police department, then you could be that change. The Nassau County Police Department's been trying to become more diverse and trying to represent more the faces of the people that we serve. I hope that you will take the test, take any steps, no matter how hard they may be, to become one of us, because it is a great job and we need more of you. And whatever group you represent, you will be a shining beacon of hope for that group.
We hope that this video showed that a career in law enforcement is open to everyone. As the concept of policing changes, the Nassau County Police Department is changing along with it. We are actively seeking candidates between the ages of 17 to 34 from all backgrounds. Help us serve Nassau County and keep it a great place to live, work, and visit. For more information on becoming a Nassau County police officer, please visit www.pdcn.org/recruitment. It takes less than 1 minute to register for our next test. We hope anyone interested in being a police officer will join the Nassau County Police Department and be a part of the change with us. Thank you.